हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं यूजीसी नेट दिसंबर 2018 में हुए कॉमर्स नेट के एग्ज़ाम के बारे में। एग्ज़ाम 22 दिसंबर 2018 को हुआ था। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स आर कंसिडर्ड एज की बिहेवियर्स ऑफ अफेक्टिव टीचिंग एज एविडेंस फ्रॉम रिसर्च। ए है structuring through comments made for organizing what is to come. B है asking process or content based question. C है lesson clarity implying the contents to which teacher presentation is clear to the class. D है using student ideas and contribution while the teacher is presenting the subject. C E है instructional variety involving teachers variability and flexibility during presentation. F है student success rate implying the rates at which the student understands and correctly complete the exercise. तो बेस्ट आंसर रहेगा हमारा आंसर रहेगा थर्ड, बी सी एंड डी। बी सी एंड डी। तो आंसर ऑप्शन बी था हमारे पास आस्किंग प्रोसेस और कंटेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, एंड सी था लेसन क्लैरिटी इम्प्लाइंग द कंटेंट्स टू विच द टीचर प्रेजेंटेशन इज क्लियर टू द क्लास, एंड डी था यूजिंग स्टूडेंट्स आइडियाज एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन व्हाइल द टीचर इज प्रेजेंटिंग द सब्जेक्ट। तो क्वेश्चन सेकंड है हमारे, क्वेश्चन सेकंड है, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टारगेट रिलेटेड स्पेसिफिकेशन विल बी कंसिडर्ड नेसेसरी। फर्स्ट है सेमिनार, सेकंड है सिंपोजियम, थर्ड है वर्कशॉप, फोर्थ है कॉन्फ्रेंस। तो बेस्ट आंसर रहेगा हमारा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है सेमिनार। इन विच ऑफ द टारगेट रिलेटेड स्पेसिफिकेशन विल बी कंसिडर्ड नेसेसरी। तो आंसर है इसका सेमिनार। चलो क्वेश्चन थर्ड क्या है। क्वेश्चन थर्ड है, इन द टू सेट्स गिवन बिलो, सेट 1 embodies the list of research types while second provides these natures and characteristics. Match the two sets and give your answer from the code which follow. First है experimental research, B है export fact research, थर्ड है participant observation based research, D है grounded theory approach based research। तो आंसर रहेगा हमारा आंसर रहेगा फोर्थ, यानी कि फिफ्थ ए से मैच करेगा। फिफ्थ एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च रिलेटेड है कंट्रोलिंग द extraneous variables and observing the effects of the independent variable manipulated by the researchers on dependent variable। अभी है थर्ड से एक्सपोर्ट फैक्ट रिसर्च रिलेटेड है किससे, गेटिंग एट कैजुअल फैक्ट्स बाय रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव एनालिसिस। और सी है सेकंड participant observation based research है emphasizing the access to realities by sharing the perspective of peoples। फोर्थ रिलेटेड है फर्स्ट से, फोर्थ रिलेटेड डी रिलेटेड रहेगा फर्स्ट से। ग्राउंडेड थ्योरी अप्रोच बेस्ड रिसर्च है जनरलाइजेशन द फ्लो रेदर then proceed the observation in due course। क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास, क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है, which of the following specify the factors affecting teachers for your answer select from the code given below। A है availability of teachings, ads and their use. B है school community linkages. C interest of parents in the school program. D है subject knowledge of the teacher. E है frequency of the organizing co-curricular activity. F है verbal and non-verbal communication skill of the teachers. आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट। आंसर इसका रहेगा फर्स्ट। फर्स्ट है डी, ई एंड एफ। डी क्या है? डी है हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज ऑफ द टीचर्स, एंड ई है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सर्कुलर एक्टिविटी। एफ है वर्बल्स एंड नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ऑफ द टीचर्स। क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है, क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ है। क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ की तरफ चलते हैं हम। क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ है, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिसर्च मेथड्स द एम्फेसाइज इज लेड ऑन नेचुरलिस्टिक सेटिंग्स एंड द मीनिंग गिविंग प्रोसेस। तो फर्स्ट है केस स्टडी मेथड, सेकंड है डिस्क्रिप्टिव सर्वे मेथड, थर्ड है एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेथड, डी है एक्स पोस्ट फैक्टो मेथड। तो फर्स्ट आंसर रहेगा इसका केस स्टडी मेथड। केस स्टडी मेथड। क्वेश्चन 6 है, इन द टू सेट्स गिवन बिलो सेट 1 embodies the domains of teaching competencies while set 2 provide the specific competence which make a teacher effective. Match the two sets and select appropriate code. First है personality and attitude related competence, B है behavior competencies, C है substantive competencies, D है style related competencies। तो क्वेश्चन तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड। आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड। ए है पर्सनालिटी एंड एटीट्यूड रिलेटेड है किससे? गुड फिजिक्स एंड अपीयरेंस से रिलेटेड है। बी है फर्स्ट बिहेवियर कॉम्पिटेंस डायनामिज्म्स एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी से रिलेटेड है। एंड सी रिलेटेड है किससे? सेकंड से। सब्सटेंसिव कॉम्पिटेंस रिलेटेड है सब्जेक्ट एंड जनरल नॉलेज से। स्टाइल रिलेटेड कॉम्पिटेंसीज रिलेटेड है फिफ्थ से टीचिंग्स एंड मैनेजिंग्स। क्वेश्चन 7th है। क्वेश्चन 7th है, in which the modality of the teaching learning arrangement there is more scope for critical and creative interchangings. First है training session, second है dialogue presentation involving teachers, students and the content, third है instructional presentations involving scope for information processing, डी है कंडीशनल्स टू प्रमोट सेंसिटिविटी। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड, डायलॉग प्रेजेंटेशन इन्वॉल्विंग टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स एंड द कंटेंट। क्वेश्चन 8 है 8, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इम्प्लाइज which of the following employs the correct sequence in the action research paradigm? फर्स्ट है एक्ट रिफ्लेक्ट प्लान एंड ऑब्जर्व, सेकंड है ऑब्जर्व रिफ्लेक्ट प्लान एंड एक्ट, थर्ड है प्लान एक्ट ऑब्जर्व एंड रिफ्लेक्ट, फोर्थ है रिफ्लेक्ट एक्ट ऑब्जर्व एंड प्लान। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड, ऑब्जर्व रिफ्लेक्ट प्लान एंड एक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है, बिलो आर द गिवन्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर्स ऑफ फॉर्मेटिव एंड समेटिव असेसमेंट प्रोसीजर्स used in various teachings learning context. A, it is used for judging learning standard. B, it is used for improvement of capacity and quality. C, its use is extended to performance appraisals of teachers, students, and institution. D, it is used during instruction. E, assessment is formal and post instruction in nature. F, it is based on participation of both teachers and students. Which of the given codes relate to formative प्रोसीजर? तो आंसर रहेगा इसका हमारा फोर्थ, यानी कि A, B and C। A, B and C, यानी कि A, it is used for judging learning standard। B है, it is used for improvements of capacity and quality। एंड C रहेगा, its use is extended to performance appraisals of teachers, students and institution। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है हमारे पास। 10 है, the issue of research ethics is pertinent at which of the following stages of research? First, at deciding the quantity or quality tracks or both for pursuing the research problem. B है data collection, data analysis and reporting of research finding results. Third, identification, definition and delimitations of research problem. Fourth है defining the population sampling procedures and technique। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट, डिसाइडिंग द क्वांटिटी ऑफ deciding the quantitative or qualitative tracks or both for pursuing the research problem। तो comprehension है next। Read the following passage carefully and answer question numbers from 11 to 15। It is she that there is nothing particularly unusual or especially contrary to reason for a person to choose to pursue a goal that is not exclusively confined to his or her own self-interest. As Adam Smith noted, we do have many different motivations, taking us well beyond the single-minded pursuits of our interest. There is nothing contrary to reason in the our willingness to things that are not entirely self-serving. Some of these motivations light humanity, justice, generosity, and the public spirits may even be very productive for society, as Smith noted. There tends to be, however, more resistance to accepting the possibility that the peoples may have good reason aims to beyond the pursuits of the sound goes the argument run. If you are consciously not pursuing what you think are your goals, then clarity those cannot be your goals. Indeed, many authors have taken the view that the claims that one can have reasons to not be confined to the pursuit of one goal is nonsensical. Since strongly heterogeneous or altruistic agents cannot be pursue other people's goals without making their sound. The point here is that in denying that rationality demands that you must act single-mindedly according to your own goals, you do not necessarily dedicate yourself to the promotion of others. We can reason our will towards following decent rules of the behaviors that we see being fierce to others as well. This can restrain the unique dominance of the single-minded pursuits of your own goal. There is nothing particularly mysterious about our prospectus for sensible rules of conduct. This can quality the pursuit of what we rightly and reasonably see as goal that we should in general like to advance. What we can say about your choice? There is no difficulty in understanding that you are not averse to helping your neighbors or anyone else pursue his or her well-being, but it is so happens that you do not think that your neighbor's well-being is in fact best advanced by his wasting times on playing a silly games. Your action is not controlling of any general pursuits of well-beings. Question number 11, Sam. The observation of Adam Smith is in goings beyond self-serving interest is first motivation like justice and public spirits. B second is so contrary to reasons. Third having one's own goal. Fourth willingness to do different things. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका थर्ड हैविंग one's own goal. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है what can stand in the way of the single-minded pursuits of one single? First, giving priority to our own goal. Second, a pursuit of paradoxical parameters. C, a compulsions to consider the goals of others. Fourth, a respect for sensible rule of conduct. First, giving priority to your own goal. Question number 13 है 13 the moral derived from the passage is not to think of our neighbors. Second, force people to take on the other people's goals as their own. Third, assist your neighbors to engage in any activity of their choice. Fourth, have proactive move to support others. तो आंसर है इसका fourth, proactive move to support others. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है 14th. In the view of the many authors, not pursuing one's own goal is first a rational, second a altruistic, third a natural, fourth है nonsensical. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका fourth, nonsensical. Many authors not pursuing one's own goal is fourth, nonsensical. Question number 15 है Question number 15th. According in the passage, decent rule of behaviors are needed. First, due to dominance of our own goals. Second, for being fair to others. Third, because of self-imposed restraint. Fourth, to be rational. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड फॉर बीइंग फेयर टू अदर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है गिवन बिलो are uncertain and regions. Consider them and select the quotes given below. A है honesty is a great virtue. B R है honesty does not harm anybody. तो ऑप्शन फर्स्ट R is true and A is false. B है second है both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Third है is true and the R is false. Fourth है A and R is true but R is not correct explanation of R. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका fourth. Both A and R are true. R is not the correct explanation of A. A क्या था हमारे पास? A and R are true. Honesty is a great virtue. Honesty does not harm anybody. Question number 17th है 17th क्वेश्चन है हमारा internal cue of non-verbal behaviors in the classroom help diagnose. First is spatial approximation. Second है interpersonal dynamics. Third है student movements. Fourth है mass beliefs. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट स्पेशल अप्रोक्सीमेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18th है when the conclusions of an argument follow from the premises necessary the argument is called. फर्स्ट है सर्कुलर आर्गुमेंट्स, सेकंड है डिडक्टिव आर्गुमेंट्स, थर्ड है इंडक्टिव आर्गुमेंट्स, फोर्थ है एनालॉजिकल आर्गुमेंट्स। फोर्थ आंसर है इसका फोर्थ एनालॉजिकल आर्गुमेंट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 है क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन बिहेवियर्स इम्प्लाई मेकिंग द कंटेंट्स रेलिवेंट, and R है it is none of the function of teachers to make student organize information for effective interactions। तो option both A and R are true but R is in the correct explanation of A। second A is true but R is false। third है R is false but R is true। तो फोर्थ है A and R is true, तो आंसर रहेगा हमारा सेकंड, A is true but R is false। A is true। Classroom communication behavior imply making the contents relevant, and R is false। It is none of the function of the teachers to make students organize information for effective interaction। Question number 20 है before death a man left the following instruction for his fortune: half to his wife, 1/7 of the what was left to his son, 2/3 of what was left to his daughter. The man's pet dog got the remaining rupees 20,000. How much money did the man leave behind altogether? तो आंसर है इसका सेकंड, 1,40,000। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 है इन pre-learning preparations an important state of communication is: फर्स्ट है agnostation of encoders, बी है ignoring semantics noise, थर्ड है information acquisition and its processing, फोर्थ है condition feedbacks। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट, agnostation of encoders। Question number 22 है if 7 13 to 14 6 is to flame, then 3 13 16 to 21 is to first a blood, second a blade, third a voice, fourth a blown। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट ब्लोड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 है every law is an evils, for every law is an infraction of liberty। The above first है proposition of fact, second है an argument, third है a justification of the beliefs, and fourth है an explanation of fact। तो आंसर है इसका an arguments। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 है if r plus 1 upon s is equal to 1 and s plus 1 upon t is equal to 1, then r into s into t is equal to किसके है? तो आंसर है इसका फर्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 है among the following proposition A, B, C and T is 2 are related to such a way that both of them together cannot be false, although they may both be true. Select the code that states those two proposition। फर्स्ट है all students are intelligent, some B है some students are intelligent, C है no students are intelligent, D है some students are not intelligent। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका हमारा फर्स्ट, all students are intelligent and some students are intelligent। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 है ए वोमन इंट्रोड्यूस ए मैन एज द सन ऑफ द ब्रदर्स ऑफ हर मदर, हाउ इज द मैन रिलेटेड टू द वीमन वोमन? फर्स्ट है सन, सेकंड है अंकल, थर्ड है ग्रैंडसन, फोर्थ है कजन। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फोर्थ, कजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 है, given below as two premises first and second. For conclusions are drawn from them, taking singly or together. First premise is that some prisoners are dacoits, some dacoits are murderers. Dacoit are murderers. Conclusion है some prisoners are murder. B है all prisoners are murderers. C है some dacoits are prisoners and D है some murderers are dacoit. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट, ओनली सी एंड डी, ओनली सी एंड डी. Some dacoits are prisoners and some murderers are dacoits. Question number 28 है, communication variables involved in models of performance are first encodings, B है decodings, C है passive resistance, D है channelizations, E है indifference. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फोर्थ, A, B and D only. A है encodings, B है decodings and D है indifference, D है channelization. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 है, चलो 29 क्वेश्चन है हमारा, इन communicates effectively with students, teachers should use. A है affinity seeking strategy, B है immediacy behavior, C है humor, D है collaborative filters. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड, A, C and D. A, C and D. Affinity seeking strategy, humors and D है collaborative filters. Collaborative filters. Question number 30 है, in the sequence of numbers 1 to 6 33 49 174 210, the term x is option first है 259, second है 510, थर्ड है 444, फोर्थ है 553. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका 444, 444, 444. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, the difference in the number of students enrolls in the faculty of the science as compares to the number of students enrolls in the faculty of engineering is. ऑप्शन फर्स्ट है 2040 2040, सेकंड है 1180, थर्ड है 960, फोर्थ है 1080. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फोर्थ 1080. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 है, द फॉलोइंग table indicates the percentage of students enrolled in various faculty of a university. The total number of students in the university is 12,000, out of which 52% are the males and the remaining are female. The percentage of the student faculty is name of the faculty science है, education है, engineering है, performing arts है and social science है. तो आंसर रहेगा, अच्छा अब क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो, क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट है इसके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 है, if half of the students from the faculty of education and all the students from the faculty of social sciences are female, then the number of female students in the three remaining faculties altogether will be. ऑप्शन फर्स्ट है 960, सेकंड है 1680, थर्ड है 840, फोर्थ है 1240. तो बेस्ट आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकेंड 1680 नहीं 1680। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 है द नंबर ऑफ मेल स्टूडेंट्स एक्सेडिंग फीमेल स्टूडेंट इज। फर्स्ट है 480, सेकेंड है 1400, थर्ड है 1680, फोर्थ है 800। तो आंसर है इसका 480। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 से 34 है approximately how many female students are there in the faculty of performing art if the proportion of males and female is the same for this faculty as for the whole university। ऑप्शन फर्स्ट है 1498, सेकंड है 1610, थर्ड है 2560, फोर है 2678। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट 1498। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 है supposing the numbers available in the faculty of engineering double keeping the total numbers in the university to be the same by the reducing the student numbers in faculty of performing arts and the faculty of education equally, the number of students available in the faculty of education will be first है 2680, second है 2960, third है 3120, fourth है 3125, थर्ड है इसका 3120। क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट है 36 है फॉर परस्यूइंग ए PhD program through the university system what has become a mandatory provision now for guidance from a supervisor outside the university, second hand enrollment for PhDs, third है coursework, fourth है compulsory attendance for 3 years, fourth है compulsory attendance for 3 years। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 है मैपिंग ऑफ लैंडलाइंस prone areas and construction of houses filling the tree and the grazings in landlines for on areas should be prohibited and are afforestation in the vulnerable area is an effective way of the durable landslides controls। तो choose the correct code, both A and R correct but R is the correct explanation of A, second है A is false and R is true, and third है both A and R correct and R is the correct explanation of A, fourth है A is true and R is false। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट both A and R the correct explanation of A। mapping of landlines prone areas and construction of houses, felling of tree and the grazing landslides prone areas should be prohibited and R जो correct नहीं है। Afforestation is vulnerable area is an effective way of the durable landslides controls। Question number 38 है which of the following best describe the mechanism the greenhouse effect in earth atmosphere। first है infrared radiation from earth surface is absorbed by gases in the atmosphere। second है ultraviolet radiation from the sun is absorbed by ozone layers in the stratosphere। third है cosmetic radiation from the space is absorbed by gases in the atmosphere, and fourth है gamma radiation from the sun is absorbed at ground levels by dust particles in the atmosphere। तो आंसर रहेगा हमारा सेकेंड, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन फ्रॉम द सन इज absorbed by ozone layers in the stratosphere. Question number 39, and humans population have historically settled in floodplains due to which of the following reason? A have floodplains are close to rivers for transportation. B have the soils in the floodplains are usually fertile. C has the terrain in floodplain is found as flats. Select the correct answer from the quote given below. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फोर्थ, ए बी एंड सी. फ्लड प्लेन्स आर क्लोज टू रिवर्स फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन and soil is the flood plains are usually fertile, and C the terrain is floods plain is found as flats. Question number 40, the two major processes involved in the carbon cycle are first deposition and erosion, second photosynthesis and respiration, third है evaporation and transpiration, fourth है fixation and denitrification. तो आंसर रहेगा photosynthesis and respiration. Question number 41 है, which options would complete the following sentences about digital communication system by using the words short, long, how, low, high? Bluetooth is dash dash range wireless technology. It is used to connect devices together for data transfers. Bluetooth is a dash cost means of data transfer. तो फर्स्ट है शॉर्ट लो, सेकंड है शॉर्ट हाई, थर्ड है लॉन्ग हाई, फोर्थ है लॉन्ग लो. तो फर्स्ट है शॉर्ट लो. In the institution of higher education in India, which of the following has the formal authority to approve the courses and programmings of study? First है departmental council, second है academic council, third है board of study, fourth है the university courts senate, थर्ड है, तो आंसर रहेगा इसका थर्ड, board of study. Question number 43, computer data files that are included with an email message are often refers to a first cookies, second attachments, third carbon copies, fourth spam mail. Computer data files that are included with an email message are often refers to as cookies, attachment, carbon copies, spam mail. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका attachment are included with email message. तो attachments. Question number 44 है, which one of the following space list matches in respect of computer? First है HTTP, second है PDF, third है www, fourth है megabytes. तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फोर्थ, मेगाबाइट. HTTP transfer protocol, PDF portable documents, www वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. और फोर्थ है मेगाबाइट्स, ये मैच नहीं हो रहा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 है, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्प्रेडशीट्स MS Excel 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड ए है 10 20 8 12 0, B है 16, C है कुछ भी नहीं. The equation of the cell B2E is A2 plus dollars B dollars 1. The equation is then copied and posted to cell B3, B4, B5. What should be the value in the B3? B3 की वैल्यू बताइए. B3 की वैल्यू तो क्या रहेगी? आंसर रहेगा इसका थर्ड 44. Question number 46 है the in the following the two sets first mentions an apex level institution in India while set second indicate their formal concern. Match the two sets and give yours answer from the code. फर्स्ट है यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन, बी है ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, थर्ड है नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन, डी है नेशनल असेसमेंट एंड एक्रीडेशन काउंसिल। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड। सेकंड यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन है रिलेटेड है कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड इक्वालिटी मेंटेनेंस इन इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन। बी है ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन रिलेटेड है किससे, रिकॉग्नाइजेशन एंड क्वालिटी इशू इन टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूशन। एंड सी रिलेटेड है नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन रिलेटेड है किससे, Council of Reorganization Quality issue related to teacher education institution and D related है fifth से National Assessment and Accreditation Council related है evaluation and quality and determining grade of excellence। Question number 47 है which piece of the computer hardware is known as the brain of the computers and responsible for the processing instruction। फर्स्ट है मदरबोर्ड, सेकंड है रोम, थर्ड है रैम, फोर्थ है सीपीयू। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फर्स्ट मदरबोर्ड। ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर में तो पहले तो सीपीयू हुआ करता था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड्स वुड बी मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट इन रिड्यूसिंग एसिड रेन एंड एसिड डिपोजिशन प्रॉब्लम। फर्स्ट है इंक्रीजिंग द हाइट ऑफ स्मोक स्टैक्स, सेकंड एडिंग टाइम्स टू द एसिडिक लेक्स, थर्ड है प्रमोशन ऑफ एसिड रेसिस्टेंट क्रॉप्स, फोर्थ है रिड्यूसिंग द यूज ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका फोर्थ, रिड्यूसिंग द यूज ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 है बिलो आर द गिवन टू सेट्स फर्स्ट एंड प्रोवाइड स्टेजेस ऑफ वैल्यू डेवलपमेंट्स while set second indicate the critical feature from the point of view of value education। Match the two sets and choose yours answer from the code। फर्स्ट है वैल्यू कलेक्शन, बी है वैल्यू असेसमेंट, थर्ड है वैल्यू क्लैरिफिकेशन, डी है वैल्यू कंसोलिडेशन। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड। वैल्यू कलेक्शन रिलेटेड है किससे, सेकंड से, कैरेक्टराइजेशन थ्रू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वैल्यू, बी रिलेटेड है थर्ड से। वैल्यू असेसमेंट रिलेटेड है प्रोवाइडिंग हिंट्स फॉर इंटर इवैल्यूएशन, सी है वैल्यू क्लैरिफिकेशन रिलेटेड है किससे, प्रोवाइडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर इमिटेशन, डी वैल्यू कंसोलिडेशन रिलेटेड है किससे, डिस्कशन एंड हैवी डिबेट्स। Question number 50 is to improve access and quality in higher education. The Knowledge Commission recommendations include which of the following? First है use of ICT for production of knowledge, B है closure of non-performing university in the country, C establishments of networks of institution of higher learning, D है increase in the enrollments of students in the institution of higher learning। तो आंसर रहेगा इसका सेकंड, ए बी एस एंड सी एंड डी। यूज ऑफ ICT फॉर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ नॉलेज, and we have closures of non-performing university in the country and establishments of network institution of higher learning and increase in the enrollments of students in the institution of higher learning.